Brad Williams, XL Prime. Here we have another VLOOKUP. What are we trying to do? The previous example showed numbers and text. Here, we're just looking at numbers. And what are we asking? We're asking map inputs to arbitrary values. So we have a VLOOKUP. We want to look up number 2 within this range. And if we find the range, then we want an output. If we can't find a range, then we want another output. It's simply a true or false statement. And here, without going into the details, you can, if you don't remember the VLOOKUP arguments, you can always just refer to this summary here. What we're looking for is VLOOKUP G4, which is number 2, in the range C5 to D10. In this, from here's C5, here's the C10. If we want to look over to column 2, if that number's not available, do something. How about we just remove 2 and we put 0? What happens? We get an NA. Oh my goodness. Do you want an NA? No, it's not attractive. It's essentially an error. How can we fix that? With VLOOKUP, there's no solution directly. With XLOOKUP, there's a way to fix that, but right now we're focused just on VLOOKUP. So the solution is this. We go into the VLOOKUP and we have what's called an if-error solution. And that's another function within Excel. And if we type in if-error and we put a parentheses, so we're nesting the if-error, what we're going to say is if-error, then we just want an empty cell. We could quote, quote, close the argument with a parenthesis. Now we have a blank. Put the 2 back in here in the range C6. Put 2, replace the 0 with the 2. The VLOOKUP is satisfied. If that number is 2.1, it's false, and you can see what it does. You can put anything you want in this if-error argument. You can say error, fix it. 2.1 was typed in incorrect. You just wanted 2, and then 25. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for your time.